Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get a Dofollow link from SoundCloud, which is a domain that has the following metrics, so a DA of 94, a TF or trust flow of 87, and a citation flow of 74. And as well, of course, it does index, as you can see here. Our link is fully indexed, and it is a Dofollow link. If we do here inspect element, as you can see, it is in fact a Dofollow link. So how can you get one just like this? Here are the steps. First of all, you need, of course, to sign up onto SoundCloud. This is pretty straightforward. You just sign up as a regular account and make sure to verify your email. Then you go to your profile and you want to make sure it doesn't look like mine. You want to make sure this looks somewhat real so they don't ban your profile. Make sure to add a profile photo, even a banner, and then somewhat of a decent description. So not like this, because this is not great. This looks a bit spammy. Then what you need to do is to grab an MP3 file. For this, you need to go to Pixabay and click here, royalty-free music. Just download whatever file you want. This doesn't really matter. Then click on upload more, and then upload your file here. Of course, you need to fill all this in to make it look real, but where you add the link is in this metadata tab, and you do it by here in the by link. Let's do, for example, let's add Veta's link, just like that, and then hit save changes. Then if you go to your page, if you go to your profile, you can see here the track has been added, and if you click on it and then go here and do inspect element, you'll see that in fact your link was added and it links to Metadata.com, and it is a Dofollow link. Now, as I told you, this do index, but if you want to force index it, what you do is you go to vet.com and type in GSA, and you grab this one right here, and then type in social SEO and grab this one as well. And both of these services will help force indexing your link. As I showed you before, the link does index, and I can even show it again. If you click on here and then do site colon, as you can see, it is indexed. It is over here indexed. So you have a Dofollow link from a domain with these metrics linking to your site directly. And yeah, if you need help with indexing it, I recommend you go out with these GSA blasts, because they do include block comments, which are really, really powerful. Then of course, social SEO, a social SEO campaign, is also really important, and it does work. So a mix of these two services does help indexing your link. And that's it. That's basically it. I hope you try it for yourself. It's super simple, super straightforward. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.